welcome to our daily news segment. Today we dive into the dynamic stepping to the global steel industry. I'm Lucas, joining me today is Hannah. To begin with today's news, 100 workers of Acerinox, a stainless steel manufacturer based in Spain, continue to strike at plant in Los Barrios, Cádiz. They blocked A7 highway due to lack of process in negotiation, seeking for their demand for better working conditions. The blockade A7 highway has caused service disruption to daily commute and freight transport, and the strike also raised the question about the future of industrial relationship in Spanish manufacturing. The long strike is likely to have a severe impact on Acerinox economy, and the company market position and financial health will be also affected. The board of directors of Walsin Lihwa acquired 100% of stake in the Mannesmann Stainless Tubes for 135 million euro for the Salzgitter Group in Italy subsidiary Cogne Acciai. This acquisition combines CAS, material supply, and MST project demand to advance Walsin Lihwa strategy to building an integrated plant in stainless steel industry. MST is one of the leading producers of seamless stainless steel, nickel-based alloy tube and pipe in the world. It's specializing in producing high-end pipe that can withstand extreme pressure and temperature. The company serves customers in the industrial oil, gas, aerospace, chemical, new energy, and so on. His production based in Germany, France, Italy, and
Group Steel launches hydrogen supply bidding for DRI plant. Germany Group Steel had officially launched a hydrogen supply bidding for its first direct reduced iron plant. Hydrogen tenders had been published on several portals of the German federal government and the European Union. The company planned to sign a 10-year hydrogen supply contract and aimed to start using hydrogen at its Duisburg plant in western Germany in 2028, followed by 100 hydrogen use in 2029. In 2022, the company announced that it would invest 2 billion euros to convert the Duisburg plant into one of the largest hydrogen-powered DRI plants. The DRI plant had an annual production capacity of 2.5 million tons and was expected to use approximately 143,000 tons of hydrogen and reduce carbon dioxide emissions by up to 3.5 million tons per year. This plan will promote Germany's hydrogen production increase plan, and the company will also become the initiator or promoter of hydrogen economy. Max had recently stated that the crisis in the Red Sea could persist until the second half of this year and advises customers to prepare for this possibility. The U.S. companies are facing 3 supply chain headwinds, including the Red Sea rerouting, labor negotiations at U.S. East Coast ports, and a drought in the Panama Canal. Due to the drought restricting cargo volume through the Panama Canal, Musk recently announced plans to transport containers to the Australian region to be the East Coast via rail.
Rayon Steel Aluminum Corporation has agreed to acquire American Alloy Steel, a Houston, Texas-based distributor steel flat and raw power. The term of the transaction wasn't disclosed. Stockton, Arizona-based Reliance said that acquisition will enhance a company's value-added processing capacity in burning, cutting, rolling, and bowling. The stainless steel cold rolled coil market is a critical segment within the broader stainless steel industry, playing a private role in the supplying high-quality stainless steel coil for various applications. The worldwide stainless steel cold roll market is expected to develop at CAGR of 14.8 from the 2023 to 2030.
Walsin Steel, one of the major electric furnace mills in Taiwan, decreased this week's purchasing price of scrap by $200 Taiwanese per ton to 11,000 Taiwanese dollars per ton, and the price of rebar was dropped by $300 Taiwanese per ton to 19,700 per ton. The section price were high, and the surges of channel sections were down by $400 Taiwanese per ton. There were no offers from the US scrap shipment last week. During the same period, the price of Japan's H2 scrap fell by 1.3% week-on-week to the US 378 per ton, and the US continental scrap price dropped by 1.3% week-on-week. Australia iron ore's price decreases by 0.8 week-on-week. So scrap from the 200 series is up by more than 3.5%. 304 scrap prices in the 300 series are up by more than 3%, and 316L is up by almost 4.7%. I'm Hannah.
I'm Lucas.
From the sales department of Joybrid Metal. Stay tuned as we continue to track these developments closely. Thank you.